We guide you through how to block porn websites on any iPhone in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open Settings, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. If it's not turned on yet, tap Turn on Screen Time and continue. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and switch it on at the top. Then, select Content Restrictions. Tap Web Content and choose Limit Adult Websites. This automatically blocks most explicit sites on Safari and other browsers. If you want to manually block specific website, tap Add Website under the Never Allow section. Type the exact URL and tap Done. To make sure no one changes these settings, go back to the main screen time menu, tap Use Screen Time Passcode, and set a secure passcode that only you know. Now, adult websites are restricted on your iPhone.